This next stitch is called a split stitch. So you start it the same way you start a back stitch. You start at the front of your stitch and go backwards. And then to create the split stitch, you're basically splitting a stitch in half. So you go up through the middle or wherever you want on that stitch you just created. So you're splitting the threads and then you're going forward. So again, you go up through the middle of that stitch you just created, so you're splitting the threads, and then you go forward. And it creates kind of a textured stitch, so it's not just your, you can't see necessarily all the different stitches because you're splitting them in half, so they're kind of all running together. It's kind of a more fluid stitch, but it's got some texture to it.